What is good with you guys, Nines, man? This is BS9 and I'm finally back. I told y'all I was gonna be gone for a little while, bro. But I'm fully back, guys. I never quit trading. I just stopped for a few days, you know what I'm saying? But we back. Today I'm showing you guys how I made $7,939.64, guys. And this is on my live account, by the way, and it's been a very good day, bro, And I'll be honest with y'all, we had a good S9 plays win. We had a good live win right after, guys. I kind of based it off the exact trade I took on S9 plays. And I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I did, though, guys. So get ready. Let's go ahead into it. Before we get into it, though, guys, I want to say like and sub, man. You got to like and sub, my guy. But let's get into it, bro. As y'all can see, we back in that mode. We back in that zone. But we in a new crib. I forgot to tell y'all this. If y'all see the new scenery, the new everything, we are in a new place, guys. We are in a new place right now. And to be honest with y'all, bro, I feel amazing, guys. We moved into a bigger and better things. The biggest penthouse damn near in Atlanta, bro, we are in. So it's very big, guys. It's very spacious. It's very big. I'll be honest with y'all, man. Penthouse tour coming on the main channel. So, guys, you'll see on the live account, $7,939 made. You know what I'm saying? We've been withdrawing a good amount from the live account. We've been having good days. Every day has been a good day recently, Let's go ahead and into it right now. Let's go ahead and into the trade. And guys, I'll be honest with you, man. This was literally a 5-minute trade overall, guys. This was literally a 5-minute trade because we caught the original trade on the S9 plays right here, guys. So this was the original trade that I was looking at. Right, and it was a sell-off, right, and I already knew it. Buyers were very exhausted. It was just done, guys. No one agreed on the top price. No one wanted to even buy no one wanted to really sell at a higher price, to be honest with you. So they just had to sell at this price. So when I seen that, guys, and we caught the easy trade, we literally won this trade in 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes, right, guys? We literally won it in 4 minutes, and it came right back up to break even, then dropped all the way down from, what is this, 880 to 801 or something like that. So that's about 79 points, guys. So when I'm seeing there's a 79-point drop and I see it come back up and retest the same entrance that we made, guys, doesn't go to this area. This is an area I drew of interest that I really liked. Not really my stop loss. Up here is my stop loss, was my stop loss originally, but this is an area of interest that I liked a lot. So guys, this exact area of interest would never be hit because of the exact trade that I took, and we knew exactly where the market was actually trying to go with this trade. So when I started seeing that, guys, and I understood what I exactly wanted to do, and I understood that there was going to be another big sell-off just like this one, but actually bigger because they got to take down new lows, which it actually did with this one. As y'all can see, sweep new lows right here, right? And it still has a chance of actually attacking these lower lows right here at 720s, and that's from here where we're at right now, where the market is at 795 right now. That's still 70 points left to actually drop. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is, you wouldn't want it to go ahead and start making new highs for that to happen. So if it starts continuing, it makes a new low right now again, it breaks through these lows, and it's a true breakout, you have a big opportunity to enter and attack 720s. And really, that's really what can happen in the market, guys. You know what I'm saying? And we'll see later on, because it's still 11 a.m. So we'll see how this goes, right? But if it sweeps through highs, it's going to be just it depends how it goes. So if it's a lot of volume, then it can just fully just break through if it wants to. But even me, I don't think it has that much strength yet to break through because the price action is just very, 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 keen on the downside, guys, as of right now. So it has a big opportunity to actually go down, and it will go down, to be honest with y'all, man. It's going to guarantee go by the 730s, most likely hit the 720s or even less, depending on how the market moves. There might be a good amount of consolidation. Like right here, there was a good amount of consolidation before it started moving again. But now consolidation, lower high, move again. As y'all can see, this is a big candle. This is a big candle right here. But guys, that's literally what we've seen right here. We've seen a very good, easy, trade on MNQ. We took it with 4 minis. A lot of people won. A lot of people ate today. I'm not going to lie to y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? And then we got off of the S9 plays. And then I waited. I went on my live account. I went back on NQ with this one. And guys, same kind of basis, same kind of understanding. Remember what I drew right here? That's my stop loss. The thing that I drew, that little line that I drew, is a little bit below this peak right here. That would have been my stop loss, guys. So that's what I actually drew for my stop loss. Nothing hit my stop loss, not even none of these. Market started dropping yet again, making lower highs. And, this is just a fake out right here. This is a fake lower high back to, a higher high. but it's just a fake, guys. It's a fake out. So when I seen it was a fake out and it got rejected, and I seen a new lower high get created, I already knew that the market was just already accepting that it was going to continue going down in price. As y'all can see, I told y'all it's going to break out. It's going to start breaking out, which is actually trying to do right now. But guys, you really have to understand, guys, one thing, bro. One of the main things in trading, guys, is you have to believe in your trade. That's why I always say I don't like break even, guys, because you always have to believe in your trade. If you don't believe in your trade that much, what's the point? What's the point of trading? What's the point of trying it out? What's the point of learning the skill? What's the point of learning strategies if you don't even believe in it? And at the end of the day, if you continue adding more and more strategies, you'll lose because you're not really trusting in your main strategy since you're adding more and more and more things to it. You get what I'm saying? But if you add on and, supply your strategy with better understanding or a better, okay, if it does this and then this and then this, that's good in a way until you start getting too much with it. And I know a lot of you guys are getting to that point where it's too much with it. Don't get to that point, guys. I know it's very hard because, you guys are still trading. You guys are losing accounts or, whatever you guys are doing. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, y'all got to understand. Try to work on your strategy. Try to work on it. Try to build upon it. And one of the main things with trading, guys, is patience, bro. I know it seems hard, guys, because we be having fun with it. We be going crazy. And you want to get in fast and get out for the day. I get what y'all trying to do. And I try to do that so many times as well. But at the end of the day, if you're trying to do something so fast before the time has happened or is ready, the opportunity is presented, before you even really knocked on the door, or let's say you already did knock on the door, but before it's open for you, you want to go for it, guys, what is the point? You're going to lose. There's no point. You're either going to lose miserably, guys, or you're just going to lose a little bit smaller if you play a little bit smarter and got to get out fastly or something like that, or have a good stop loss, right? And then you just get mad. You'll get sad. You'll get all type of reactions and, formations and everything like that. And it's going to be very weird. So, you know what I'm saying? Y'all got to understand the main thing with trading is you got to understand when you're entering and when the opportunity presents itself, when the door is actually open is when you enter, not when the door is not open, bro. Don't just knock on the door and just get in. When you get in for yourself, if you get in yourself, you're going to most likely lose. If you let it get in for you, if you let someone else get in for you, like with me, I pray to God. You know what I'm saying? If you let Jesus Christ or whoever your God is, and, it's a true God because Jesus Christ is the true God, but if you let him do it for you, you're going to go crazy. You're going to win. And at the end of the day, you got to base it on something higher than yourself. That's all I'm going to say, because at the end of the day, trading could be greediness. You know what I'm saying? And we show you the greedinesses in our lives. We show you how this works and how trading really works. And we have accounts to blow, accounts to spend, accounts to have fun with. But at the end of the day, when we trading live, as today I showed y'all my live trade, we're taking it serious, guys. We're taking it serious. S9 plays, we took it serious. We won. It was a high quality setup, a high quality trade. That's the same thing we're going to do every day, guys. It's not going to be the opposite of what we're going to do. We're going to do the same thing every single day, no matter what. You get what I'm trying to say, guys? So play it smart. Don't continue trying to get in something that you shouldn't get in at all. Because when you do that, you're going to lose. There's no point. But look, when I actually got in this trade that I wanted to get in, let me show you guys what happened. It never went to the original stop loss, and it never went back. It never went to that extra drawing of the stop loss that I made, guys. Look, this is the drawing of the stop loss that I made right here. Never went here, guys, and it can't because the trade is that good. It's a high quality setup. So you have to look for a high quality setup to then be enter, a bigger trade. For example, if I want to enter a multiple point trade, if I want to enter a 80-point trade, or for example, this is from 865 all the way down to 780, for example, right? That's about damn near 80-point trade. If I'm trying to enter something like that, I can't just be ready to, just randomly enter. Like, that's what a lot of people do. I'm telling you guys, stop doing that, man, because it's not helping you. It's actually harming you, bro. And at the end of the day, we're showing you guys what it is base by base by base by base by base. I told you I was going to be consolidation. Where is that right now? And guess what it's doing? It's consolidating. Where is that right now? It still made a lower high. So it still has a big opportunity to make a lower low. And I can tell y'all this can be a fake lower high right here, just like it did right at the beginning right here, guys. It does the same thing over and over again to then actually, jump out and push the move where it's actually trying to go. So the market is very sneaky in many ways, guys, but y'all got to understand one more thing. Don't let the market control you, guys. As soon as you let the market control you, as soon as you think the market has control over whatever you're doing, whatever your actions are, whatever you're doing in general, you're going to lose. But as soon as you have control, as soon as you take the control, as soon as you take the lead, you're going to start winning, guys. So I want to tell y'all that. And I want to say I'm back. BS9 is back to make these daily videos and show y'all insights and things y'all didn't really see before, you know, and what people won't tell you for free. You know what I'm saying? So I love y'all, man. New crib. Don't mind the junk a little bit. As y'all can see, you can't even see the view because it's fried. You know what I'm, maybe if I do this. Like, it's fried, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. Maybe if I do this. The view is that crazy, bro. So yeah, guys. So have a great day. See you guys. Okay, y'all seen a little bit of it. And man, I'm telling y'all, man, go crazy, bro. We on the Tradify. Use S9 forever for life. And subscribe, bro. Come on, man. Go crazy, man. Peace out. BS9 is out.